Let's get some money.
Sewers have been packing up with toxic waste again, so please be careful. Billy Bob, it felt like somebody broke into the house. My face!
Yeah, you look pretty hideous.
Give me all your money.
But it's full of plumber!
Back here! Oh no. Active waste from the sewers backed up and got on me. What's happened to me? It's a radioactive waste. Whoa. I'm gonna get my 680 back. Because I am Plumber Man.
You dead person. You dead person.
Not that dead.
You completely dead person. You never gonna stop me, Plumber Man.
I am Plumber Man. Yeah.
Think again, Plumber Man. Because when I got the radioactive toilet water on me, it gave me superpowers.
So you're saying you got your powers from radioactive crap?
Yeah, well, plumber power. Just a second, it's too dark. I can't see what I'm doing.
I'm back!
I got it. I know what your weakness is. You don't like the light. Haha! Eat light. Whoa!